Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Drive for claim evidence uploads. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to your Google Drive account. Open your preferred web browser. Type in drive.google.com and press enter. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the New button at the top left corner. Click on the New button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select File Upload to choose a file from your computer. Locate the evidence document you want to upload. Select the document and click Open. The upload will begin, and you'll see a progress bar in the bottom right corner. Wait for the upload to complete. Once finished, find the uploaded file in your Google Drive. Right-click on the file to open the context menu. Select Get Link from the menu options. A dialog box will appear displaying the link to your file. Ensure that the link sharing settings are set to anyone with the link. Click on the drop-down menu next to Restricted and select Anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link to copy. Now, you can share this link in your claim submission for evidence. That's it. You've successfully authenticated with Google Drive for evidence uploads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.